Bitcoin made wave last week across $30,000 marks for the first time since April. But there's more to the story.
BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, recently filed for a Bitcoin spot ETF.
Asset management giant BlackRock took the first steps yesterday to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF, filing an application with the SEC to launch the iShares Bitcoin Trust. If approved, this ETF would allow easy access for investors to get exposure to crypto in a product from one of Wall Street's largest companies. And while Bitcoin bulls remain optimistic, the SEC has resisted allowing a spot Bitcoin ETF in the U.S. It's currently in a legal battle with Grayscale over whether the firm will be allowed to convert its Bitcoin ETF fund into an ETF, the GBTC. A decision in that case is expected later on this year.
BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with a whopping $8.67 trillion in assets under management, has filed to launch a Bitcoin ETF, and the implications are massive. Hello hunters, welcome back to Moonverse. I am your Moon Hunter, Ken, where we onboard your Web3 journey smooth and easy and break down the complex world of cryptocurrency. Today, we have a hot topic that's buzzing across crypto streets: BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF and how it might send Bitcoin to new heights. So let's dive right now. Before we explore, remember I'm here to share knowledge, insight, and news. Don't mistake this for financial advice. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the button icon to stay updated with all latest crypto news. So what is ETF? Or exchange-traded funds are an easy way to invest in assets without actually having to hold these assets. They are a simplified route for traditional investors to get exposed to Bitcoin. If BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is approved, it would suggest the giant assets manager who oversees over $8.67 trillion in assets, since Bitcoin as an asset with staying power, signaling a significant shift in mindset from their CEO's early stance in 2017. So why does all this matters? Well, if BlackRock's ETF get the green light, it could trigger a chain reaction in the crypto markets. An approved ETF will result in the actual buying of BTC to back up the shares. That means if you're going to let your investor to invest one Bitcoin, you need to have one Bitcoin, which could potentially push Bitcoin's price up. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has historically been wary of crypto, rejecting multiple Bitcoin ETF applications. However, BlackRock has the stellar track record with 575 approval versus just one rejection. So if anyone can break the SEC's resistance, it is BlackRock. The decision can either weigh and will likely have significant implication on Bitcoin's price. SEC approval could boost Bitcoin's price, while a rejection could deliver at setback. Either way, we are anticipating some major volatility in the near future. The SEC has up to 240 days to decide, which means a verdict is due by the 23rd of February 2024 at the latest. But if it doesn't get approved before the first deadline on the 12th of August, the odds might tip against BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. The fact that recently SEC approved first leverage Bitcoin future ETF, the volatility shares 2x Bitcoin strategy ETF, or BITX, is scheduled to launch on the Chicago Board Options CBOE BZX exchange on June 27, which is already launched. Also, just to sidetrack, in Asia, HSBC Bank and Brace Crypto already introduced Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF to their clients. That's a bullish news. So there you have it, the anticipating in building, and we are all waiting to see if BlackRock can crack the SEC's Bitcoin ETF resistance. So remember, whatever happens, we are here to keep you updated and make sense of it all. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest news and insights. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts on BlackRock's ETF and how you think it impact Bitcoin price. So thank you all for watching, and let's hunt and moon together.